Hi there, I'm Monica Besanson at Community First Credit Union. Are you finding that you need a mask, you don't have a sewing machine so you can't make your own, maybe the stores don't have something, and you just want something to feel a little more protective when you go into a grocery store or maybe banking or post office. So here's an easy mask that you can make probably with things that you already have at home. Super simple. It's what it looks like when it's done. Really easy. From a bandana, some hair ties, the skinny kind, and a coffee filter, number 4 coffee filter. So you're gonna take that square bandana, can be pretty much any size, and you're gonna fold it in half. And you're gonna just it doesn't have to be perfect, it's not ironed. And then you're gonna fold it in half again, and you're gonna just go to the edge there of the other one. Again, not perfect. You're gonna fold it again to the inside and again to the inside. Now this is where you can slip in a coffee filter if you feel like you want that little bit of extra protection. Slip that in the center right there, because that's where your mouth is gonna be when you put this on. So now what you're gonna do is this little skinny hair ties, just put one of these through, and then take this and fold that to the center, right? You can make that a little bit taunt by taking this and going like that. And do the same thing on the other side. Folding that center in. Grab that little hair tie, I wanted to get away from me. Bring that in. Now what you have is a homemade mask. These little guys are gonna go around your ear, and the other one is gonna go around the other ear. And there's your homemade mask. You can make it smaller, or longer, depending on the size of your face. And it'll keep you from touching your mouth or your nose when you're in a store.